guys, welcome to the docks of Malaysia. I think it's going to rain. Just my luck. Look how cool this thing is. Man, oh man. Never seen that one before. Not sure what she's doing. Looks like she might be leaving. Airplane up there. Not sure where she's gonna land. Busy area here. This thing does not turn on a dime. Look at these big old wooden cargo vessels. Boy, they're huge. Two of them there. Another smaller one. This is the more normal size. This thing, I don't know what that is. Some kind of crew boat maybe, or supply boat. She looks steel. Kind of ugly looking, to be honest. Let's get a shot of this thing. Don't turn it sideways here. Nice side-on shot. Looks like Noah's Ark, that one. Just painted. This one's on the move. Lots of black smoke. Let's turn it around too. Now they're all on the move. I think this thing is quite amazing looking. She's got to roll like a barrel. Holy crap. Try and give you a look down the dock here at all the iron that's sitting beside the dock. Oh, lots of wind noise, I'm sure. Sorry about that. Alright guys, well this is it. I'll keep this one nice and short.